Wait, what did Noor find? A tiny bird. It's hurt and can't fly.
Noor didn't leave it lie. She helped it with love and care home. You showed real kindness today, Noor.
I'm happy it can fly again, Mew.